Good morning, children. Welcome back to today's class. The last class we learned about division as repeated subtraction. Today we are going to see our dividing a two-digit number by a one-digit number. Dividing two-digit number by a one-digit number. Now look at here. Divided 6 by 2. Divided 6 by 2. Divided 6. It is called dividend. 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 Divided 6 is called dividend. By 2. That is called divisor. By 2. That is called divisor. 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 Here, do you know the table? Okay, 3 2s are 6. How many 2s are 6? Yes, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So you have write 3 in quotient. 3 in quotient, that is 3 comes to quotient. Quotient. Quotient, quotient. So 3 2s are 6. Now we can subtract the dividend. 6 minus 6. Yes, we get the answer 0. 0 comes to remainder. The answer 0 comes to is remainder. 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 So divide 6 divided by 2. Divide 6, that is called dividend. By 2, that is called divisor. Here comes to how many 6 are 2? Yes, 3 2s are 6. So write 3 in quotient. 3 comes to, that is called quotient. Here 0 comes to remainder. Okay. Look at the example. Divide 10 by 2. Divide 10 by 2. Now write a solution. 10, that is called dividend. So you have write 10 is inside. Then by 2, write in outside. Divisor comes to outside. Dividend inside. By 2, divisor is outside. So here how many 2s are 10? Yes, how many 2s are 10? 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So you have write number 5 in quotient. 5 2s are 10. So write 10 in dividend. How many 2s are 10? Yes, 5 2s are 10. So you have write a number 5 in quotient. 5 write in quotient. So 5 2s are 10. Here 10 write in dividend. Now we can subtract 10 minus 10. Yes, 0. Here therefore 10 divided 2. 10 divided 2 is equal to, yes, comes to answer 5. So here comes to answer, yes, 5. Quotient comes to answer. Now look at the another example. Divide 48 by 2. Divide 48 by 2. Here first you take a tens place only. Here ones place, that is a tens place. So first you take a tens place. How many 2s are 4? Yes, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So you have write a number 2 in quotient. 2 2s are 4. So write 4 in dividend. Now we can subtract 4 minus 4. Yes, 0. Now bring down the ones place. Here bring down the ones place. What number will come? Yes, 8. So you have write number 8. Then how many 2s are 8? Yes, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. So you have write number 4 in quotient. 4 2s are 8. 8 write in dividend. Now we can subtract 8 minus 8. Yes, 0. Therefore 48 divided 2. 48 divided 2 is equal to, write a quotient. Yes, 24. Always write the answer comes to quotient only. So 48 divided 2 is equal to 24. That is dividing by 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Divide and write the answer in the boxes. Now here 18 comes. 18 divided 6. 18 divided 3. 18 divided 2. 18 divided 9. Each number you can divide it by 18. Each number you can divide it by 18. Now look at 18. That is called dividend. Here divide 6. That is divisor. So you have write a number 18. Divisor comes to here. So how many 6 are 18? 1 6 are 6. 2 6 are 12. 3 6 are 18. So you have write a number 3 in quotient. Number 3 write in quotient. 3 6 are 18. Now we can subtract the dividend. 18 minus 18, yes, 0. Therefore 18 divided 6 equal to 3. 18 divided 6 equal to, yes, 3. So you have write in the box 6 3. 6க்கு நேரா எந்த பாக்ஸ் இருக்கோ அதில் 3 எழுதிக்கணும். ஓகேவா? Now look at another 18 divided 3. Can divide 18 by 3. How many 3s are 18? 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. So you have write a number 6 in quotient. 6 write in quotient. 6 3s are 18. Now we can subtract the dividend. 18 minus 18, yes, 0. Therefore 18 divided by 3 comes to answer, yes, 6. 18 divided 3 comes to answer, yes, 6. Now we can divide 18 by 2. 18 by 2. 18 by 2. How many 2s are 18? Yes, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18. So you have write a number 9 in quotient. 9 2s are 18. So you have write number 18 in dividend. Now we can subtract 18 minus 18, yes, 0. So therefore answer, yes, 18 divided 2 is equal to 9. 18 divided 2 is equal to, yes, 9. Now we can subtract 18 by 9. 18 divided by 9. 18 divided by 9. How many 9s are 18? 1 9s are 9. 2 9s are 18. So you have write number 2 in quotient. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. We can subtract dividend. 18 minus 18, yes, 0. So therefore answer, yes, 2. So 18 divided 9 is equal to 2. மேம் எனக்கு 9 டேபிள் தெரியாது என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா ஒரு பிரச்சனையும் இல்லை. இப்போ 2 9s are 18 9 2s are comes to 18. ஓகே, here 6 3s are 18 3 6 are 18. Easiest step. Now look at another example. Here 13 divided 13 by 6, divided 13 by 5, divided 13 by 3, divided 13 by 10. Each number you can divide at the 13. You can divide 13 by 6. 13 by 6. How many 6 are 13? 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30. So you have write a number 5 in quotient. 5 6 are 30. So you have write number 30 in dividend. Now we can subtract 30 minus 30 is 0. Therefore 30 divided by 6 is equal to, yes, 5. 13 divided by 6 equal to, write the answer in the box, 5. Then 13 divided by 5. 13 divided by 5. 13 divided by 5. How many 5s are 30? Yes, 6 5s are 30. 1 5s are 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. So you have write a number 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. So now we can subtract 30 minus 30, yes, 0. So write 6 in quotient. So 13 divided by 5 is equal to 6. 13 divided by 5 is equal to 6. So you have write 6 in box, which you can divide at 5. So you have write a number 6 in the box. Now third one, 13 divided by 3. 13 divided by 3. Yes. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. 10 3s are 30. So you have write a number 10 3s are 30. 10 3s are 30. Now we can subtract it. Is 30 minus 30? 0. Therefore answer, yes, 10. 13 divided by 3 comes to 10. 13 divided by 10. 13 divided by 10. How many 10s are 30? Yes. 3 10s are 30. So you have write a number 3 in quotient. 3 10s are 30. 30 write in dividend. Now we can subtract 30 minus 30 is 0. Therefore 13 divided by 10 comes to answer 3. So write the 3 in box. எனக்கு 6 டேபிள் தெரியாது என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்லாம் கேட்க வேணாம். ஓகேவா? 5 6 ஆர் 30னா 6 5 ஆர் 30 தான். ஸோ 10 3s ஆர் 30னா 3 10s ஆர் 30 தான். ஓகேவா? Dear children, take your note and pencil, write the dividing by 2 digit number by a 1 digit number and divide the following in the box also. Write in your maths note. Thank you.